Hello guys, welcome back into this channel, and you are now entering the episode 4 of Google Chat application tutorial series. And in this episode, I would like to explain to you the way how you can pin chat on Google Chat. So pin tools or pin features on Google Chat can help you to make the important chat stay in the upside or upper line of your chat list, so that you will not gonna miss any notification from those important message. So you just need to open the Google Chat applications right away, and here is the collection of my chat room. I already got this all, and there will be one of the chat that I will let to keep to be in upline here, so that whenever there are a lot of chat coming up, the important chat could be stay strictly in the upline without being layering up. So here, if you want to do that, you just need to tap into the contact of your friends right here. The next thing you need to do is just go click into this name of the chat, and then there will be like a lot of options coming up, and then you just need to tap into this pin. And whenever the color of the symbol pin here is already changed, mean that your chat is already pinned, so they will be like stay into the upline of this chat later on. So actually that's so simple and easy, right? So you just need to do what I explained into this video. If you find some thing that you are really confused, just drop into the comment section, and if you still want other tutorial, also just drop into the comment section, and don't forget to turn on the notification to find more tutorial about Google Chat in this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.